Please welcome Peace.
Absolutely. I think I'm very peaceful, actually.
Hi, guys.
I doubt I'm going to vibe with everyone.
Most people you see me around are people that would make me laugh.
I'm not just here for myself. No one is ever here for themselves. You're here for you and so many other people that you know and you don't even know.
Tonight's winner is Peace.
Little Miss Head of House.
My job here is to organize that we all do it, and I did just that. Please, guys, kitchen, clean on top of the counter. You might have to wash the napkins because everyone's been using it.
I hope you guys can see the non-shippers and give them a chance. Me? Non-shippers. I didn't play anybody before. No, so.
Thank you for this opportunity.